Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a WhatsApp tester. Now, it's either you want to become a WhatsApp tester or you want to join the WhatsApp beta program. It's all the same thing, forget about the language. Now, I have shown you guys this, but this is a different method. Now go over to your WhatsApp, and then on the browser you can see the URL. The URL is play.google.com/apps. This is actually the correct Google Play Store app link. So once you have this open, I'm going to leave the link on the description. Once you have this open, click on become a tester. This is actually very easy and very straightforward. Now you notice immediately you click on it, it says welcome to the testing program. Now these are the things you need to do. It says you will receive an update to WhatsApp Messenger app if you already have it installed on your device. If you don't have it installed, click on here to download it. Now you can notice I have an email attached already, so my email is already logged in. Let me go ahead and refresh this page. And again, if anytime you want to leave, you can always click on this button to leave. Now let me go ahead and read more information to you. So you will receive an update from the messenger if you already have it installed on your device. If you don't have it installed, click on here to download it. Note it takes a while for you to receive an update. Certain data on your use of app will be collected, and so this is just simple. And whenever you want to leave, you can always click on leave. And how do they know that this is actually linked? Now if you go to your Play Store app, the same email address is going to be what will be logged into that. So once it's the same email address was logged in, now when you open WhatsApp or when you access WhatsApp, this is WhatsApp right here. So when you access WhatsApp, you can know that you are in the beta program, but normally you will be able to see all of this. But then let me go ahead and click on install so that you guys will see that I'm using the beta program. All right guys, you can clearly see that I finished downloading, and now you can see this area that says you are a beta tester for this app. Feature updates will include beta version. So whenever they are updating it, they are going to include that this guy is a beta version. Now another thing I want you guys to also pay attention on is when you are reading this thing, you can notice that it might take a while, blah 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 blah. Now what I actually want you guys to pay attention on and read properly so that you be sure, or you will decide if you want to actually join the beta program, is this: certain data on the app will be collected. Now what it means is that once you are using this application, they are going to be collecting data and be checking how you are using the application, the things you are finding difficult, and maybe the things that they could actually fix. Because the reason why you are joining the testing is just so they will know if this person is using this properly, if there is an issue, if there should be an improvement. That is all they need. That is the reason why they are making this public, so that people can willingly join the beta program, and when there is issue or when people are having issues in the app, they will be able to resolve this. So if you are okay joining the program, go ahead and do that. It's very simple. And also I would like to let you guys note that this is actually what people are doing. So many people are doing this. Most times you will notice that it will say that this is unavailable. Whenever it shows you unavailable, you just need to come back and refresh, maybe after some minutes or some hours, because that actually happened to me also before I created this video. When I was creating this video, every once in a while it tells me that this is not available, and so this is all I want to share with you in this video. If you have further question about this, leave it on the comment section, and also I am going to leave this link on the description and also on the comment section. Smash like if it helped you. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.